Hi, Richard at Orange Campers. Just a quick video on how to fill up your LPG. So BP seem to be the only person these days with pumps. You do find some independents, but normally BP. Two types of connector. You've got this, which is the lever type, or there is one like a normal petrol pump type, which you pull the trigger, lock it on at the bottom the same way. But this one, you simply look for the bayonet fitting, because that'll line up with your fitting. All our vans have sill mounts, but they all have this kind of fitting. Line it up, which is down here. Twist this lever. When I get it on, let me have a look. Twist the lever, so turn it sideways until it locks. Then pull the lever back. You'll feel it lock on. It normally you'll hear the pump sort of fill itself. Turn to the pump. Press and hold the button on the pump. There's always a button. It will only deliver gas while you're holding that button in. So you must hold it, watch it for going up. When it stops, don't try and squeeze any more in, don't round it up. When it stops, it's full, it's got enough in it, let go of that button and come back down, release it off. You'll always get that spurt of gas. It's natural, a bit unnerving at first. There's always a strong smell, but that's all it is. And then another thing to remember is don't worry if you gauge sometimes. If you know you're filled up, you go to your gauge and it says it's still empty, sometimes it can freeze. So because the liquid gas is so cold, it can freeze the float inside the tank. So give it a day or so, it will move about, bounce about, and it will unset itself. But it's as easy as that.